Hello everyone, Michael here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Today I'm at the lovely Audley Inn, which is just south of Cambridge, in between Cambridge and London. It's a beautiful estate. Highly recommend. In this video, I'm going to discuss one thing you need to start doing now so that you can avoid a potential massive drop in occupancy. Okay. I'm sure all of you viewing this video want to avoid a significant drop in occupancy, right? So to avoid that, there are several things you need to do, such as ensuring that the residents are put first, ensuring work orders are being completed on time, and ensuring that the residents feel safe where they live. And although those are very important, one of the most important things you need to track as an asset manager are lease end dates. I'm sure you're like, yeah, I know that, Michael. But how many of you are actually tracking your lease end dates? Therefore, I would argue that the easiest way to avoid a massive drop in occupancy is by simply tracking your lease end dates in a matrix. I'd be happy to share my lease end matrix with anyone. Just drop me a comment below or shoot me an email. We use a Google Sheet to build our lease end matrix. In the first column, we have all of our unit numbers, and then across the second row from the top, we have all the months listed. Then we can populate each cell with the actual lease end date that corresponds to the unit and the month they are leaving. Then, in the first row of the spreadsheet, we use the count function to determine how many leases we have ending for each specific month. This gives us a picture of the future and when we need to start sending out renewals. It also highlights any months that might have several potential move-outs and allow us to prepare accordingly so that we can avoid a massive drop in occupancy, right? So I hope you enjoyed today's asset management tip. Drop your comments below on how you avoid drops in occupancy. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel here. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified when we release new content. Okay, until next time, explore more, adventure awaits.